Got the GoPro ready?
Yep.
He's ready.
Have you been through yet?
Not yet.
Okay, you're gonna like it. Here's what we got going on. We got our works wash for you today, which is our best wash. So your camera's gonna get a good show because we're gonna put everything on that we can. All right, so you're gonna get all of it. For $35 a month, you can become a member using that works wash. And it's unlimited, so you can come as often as you like. We also have unlimited membership in all of our other wash packages. So you get to decide how you want to wash each vehicle that you have. You tell us by downloading the app and putting your vehicle in there. Once your vehicle's in the app, you can use these 2 lanes. You pull up to the gate, it's going to read your license plate, and that's going to open the gate for you automatically. And it is truly unlimited, so you can come multiple times a day for that membership. Okay? Sign up for the Works Wash. The first car you sign up is going to get 30 days for free. We also have vacuums on the other side that are free, and we have a mat washer on the other side that's free as well. Enjoy your wash. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you.
Have a nice one.
Jump out and grab a quick picture real quick before that gate opens.
It's gonna open immediately, so I can't.
No, it's not. That white car's gonna go first.
Alright, I get a quick video of it.
Make it quick. Shut the door. Hurry.
Alright, I'm going. There we go. I know. Yeah, boy, go first.
I told you we'd be in between the 2 white vehicles.
Tommy's Express. And quiet.
I turned my automatic wiper thing off. There we go. Oops, not quite in there.
Until it says neutral. There we go. Tommy's Express in Loves Park. Hope you enjoy. New car wash video coming soon. Thanks for watching. And thank you to the staff here for letting me come by and swing visit earlier. And thanks for the video. Appreciated it. Alright. Very nice wash. I would recommend it. Looks pretty cool. And I will say, I don't know what happened with that brush there. Guessing it was just due to the traffic, but pretty nice wash. Alright, we will see you next time. Oh yeah. We had a bunch of dirt up here. It is now completely gone. And they finally have a working spot-free rinse. Finally, a car wash with working spot-free rinse.
Yeah?
Yep. Alright. Another good build, Tommy's. Alright. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.